So yeah, Adam, I
Perfect.
have
Thank you
another
so much,
request.
Tufail.
I have
Yeah.
another request.
Yeah.
Uh,
Of course.
and on Upwork, you didn't end the contract and
Five
you
stars.
didn't give me any feedback. So
Oh.
that's why I need a feedback from you.
Oh. Okay.
That will help me to rank my account and it will
Got you.
make more trust to get a new
Yep.
client.
Got you.
So
Let me go there right
kindly
now.
share your screen. I will show you the
Yep.
process. Oh, I am in dark.
Sure. Yeah. Are you okay? Is everything good there, or what's going on?
No, it's
Oh my
okay.
goodness. Okay. So this one, right?
Yes, this is me. Yes.
How do you end a contract?
Yeah. So above you can see three dot icon.
Twitter icon?
Three dot icon.
Uh,
Yes.
oh,
Click
this one.
here.
Okay.
End the contract.
Ah, okay.
Uh, and understand. So 10. Oh no, no, just do it. Just it. Just it.
Oh, okay.
Don't write here anything. It's called private feedback.
Don't write.
You leave it
Oh, okay.
and go down.
Go down.
Just do it and click all star. Yes, you know that.
Okay.
And write
Perfect.
something here
And then I
about
can write
me.
here. Okay.
Anything if you want.
Beautiful. Okay.
Just do it
What
and
else is there? Looks good. Uh, do I need to do any of this,
no,
or
no,
can
no, no,
I
no, no, just do
wait?
it. Just do it.
Project success. Okay.
Project complete successfully. So
Okay.
and wait, do you have any feedback? No, I don't need feedback. Public feedback means scroll down. I will show you. Scroll down.
Right. This one.
Just
Right.
do it. This one. 5-star feedback,
Right.
and you click. You write a note. So it's called public feedback.
Hmm.
It will help me for
Hmm.
the to increase my rank. That's it.
Right.
And scroll
Right.
down.
I see.
Did you go above beyond? No, no,
Okay.
no. Okay,
Gotcha.
okay. Just
If I give you bonus here, if I
no,
give you bonus here, do
no,
they also take it?
no.
Does Upwork also take it?
If you give me the bonus $20, then
Yeah.
they will charge 10%. Suppose I will get $18, they will take
Okay.
$2. So it's their rules, and
God
you can see
damn. I
10%.
hate that.
You can see
Oh my
10%.
God. I see.
Okay,
But
so
I'm still gonna give you something. Is that okay? If I give you a bonus, is that okay with you? Because I really
no,
enjoyed working together.
no, I don't need it because Adam, you sent me a gift for me. Already you cost
Ah,
$29. So I'm really shame for
don't
it
worry about it.
because you are.
No,
I
no, no, no,
don't
no.
want you.
That was a gift. That was a gift.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely
And I
gift.
think for me, I want to give to people who are always kind, always humble, and like you yourself, you have done an incredible job for us, and I'm so excited to do another contract with you. So, with that said, thank you so much, and I'm gonna give you that 15% tip if that's okay with you. And I think we're good to go. So, Tufael, it was a pleasure. Um, I can't wait to talk to you again. I'm gonna miss you, but probably in maybe 1 or 2 weeks, I might be reaching out again on your Instagram. So please keep an eye out for me if you
So
don't mind.
wait. So um, Adam, it's very good journey with you.
Yeah.
Uh, Absolutely. So if you need, suppose if you have friends, they need to set up the GA4 and other option, then you can
Yep.
refer me, no problem.
Yep.
And
Absolutely.
also,
Absolutely.
if you run the ads campaign from yourself inside the Facebook, then you should create the
Hmm.
catalog because it's e-commerce and you need to track the
Oh.
all your product. So without catalog,
Okay.
you won't be able to run the
Okay.
remarketing. So you can research on it.
I see.
It's not hard. It's easy.
Okay.
So if you suffer any problem anytime, you can ask me, and you
Hmm.
don't need pay me for all type of task. You don't need. I won't
Oh,
charge.
thank you so
Okay.
much.
So
Oh my goodness.
don't
Tufail,
hesitate.
you're so
Don't
kind.
hesitate, like
Yep.
I if I sent any message to for an help, then Tufail will take money. No, no,
Hmm.
no, I'm not this type of man. I'm not really. You, if
Thank
you
you.
suffer any
Thank you.
problem, just not me. Hey Tufail, I'm suffering this type of problem, then I will give you the
Yeah.
consultant. No problem.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Have a
And
great one, Tifayo.
and I have
Thank you so much.
recorded all the video, and I will upload it
Oh,
on my
okay.
on my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will share with you the link.
Perfect. Yeah, I'm down. Thank you so much. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, Adam, I'll miss you. Thank you
Have a
so
great
much.
night.
See you next
I
time.
miss you too. Have a good one. See you next time. Bye.